Did you know that there are over 300 joints in a human body? That's right. From the intricate movement of fingers to the stability of hips, joints play a crucial role. Hello, I am SJB and in today's class we are going to explore three types of joints, their functions and examples. Let's dive in. So, what are joints? Joints are a point where two or more bones come together. Here, I have drawn a picture of joint. Look at this point. Here two bones are coming together, so you can say it's a type of joint. There are different types of joints. We are gonna read about three different types of joints, which are infused joints, hinge joint, ball and socket joint. Let's discuss them one by one. First of all, we are going to discuss about infused joints. Infused joints are those joints in which bones are infused together and they cannot move. These types of joints are present in skull. They are also known as synarthrosis. Look at this picture. Here is the demonstration of the skull. So, this whole part is skull. Then we have jaw, and here I have represented the infused joint, that these bones are infused together and they cannot move. This one is the part of a skull and this bone is also a part of skull. At this point where they are coming together, they cannot move. That is how skull protects brain. Now let's move to the hinge joints. What are hinge joints? Hinge joints are those joints which allow movement in only one direction. Their movement is like the movement on a door. They only move forward and backward. The examples of hinge joint are elbow joint and knee joint. I have added a video of the elbow joint. Let's watch it together and learn how the hinge joint works. Look at the video. Here, it's a DIY project in which blue pencil is showing the upper arm or humerus and the yellow pencil is showing forearm. The center point is the elbow. Now let's check how the forearm is moving. It's in bended position, then it's straight again, bended position. So that means it only allows movement in one direction. Let's move to the ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joints are those joints which allow movement in multiple directions. It's like a ball that fits in a cup-shaped structure. So the movement is like forward, backward, upward, downward and sideways. The examples are shoulder joint and hip joint. Now look at the video and we will understand how the ball and socket joint works. It's also a DIY project. So the half cut ball is showing the shoulder joint. Okay. The paper ball is showing the arm bone and the pencil is showing the humerus. Now let's notice the movement together. It's moving sideways, right? Then moving upward and downward. So ball and socket joints allow movement in multiple directions. Here's the summary of what we have read in today's lesson. Types of joints. Three different types of joints we have read in this lesson, that is infused joints or synarthrosis, which are present in skull. Hinge joints, which allow movement in only one direction, and the examples are elbow joint or knee joint. Then we have ball and socket joint, which allow movement in multiple directions, that is upward, backward, forward, downward and sideways. And the examples are shoulder joint or the hip joint. And that's wrap up today's lesson. We have learned about the importance of joints in human body. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Learn with SJB. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.